Sylvanian Family Values, Unboxing Lights and Curtains Set, with Andrew Bowen. That's me. Okay, now we're going to do the unboxing of this one here, Conjuntal Luminaries e Cortinas, and it doesn't have anything in English for this, but it is the light set and curtains for these two kinds of houses. So, let's open the box, shall we? How does it open? One moment. Ah yes, okay. Fortunately, the adhesive on the sellotape is not too strong. Let's see what we have in here. So, contained in this box, we have a thing up here, we have the lights, little ribbons and cords, and these are for the curtains. So, we have the curtains themselves that you can put up inside those houses. You will find that in the tower house it will have two little bits that you can attach one of these little curtain rails to, and then you can put the curtains on them. And we'll have a look at the lights when I can get this off. Oh yes. Okay, so we've got little bows for the curtains, I assume. And we have the curtain rails. Okay. And these are the lights that you can plug in, but these are just for show. They don't actually have little bulbs in them, if you have a look there. Okay. Although I might be able to make a conversion to them so that they do have lights in them. I'll just have to do some electrics on that. Okay. But that is that set, and really the only way you can see them actually working is if I have the actual house here to fit them in. So I can't do that, unfortunately. So that's all for this box. Okay. And I'll see you for the next box that I'm going to do. Okay. Well, bye for now.